Make a great choice today with the 2007 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, remote keyless entry, power sunroof, cruise control, trip computer, power door locks, power windows, auto express down window, cloth upholstery, power driver's seat. Come take a test drive today.